What's up? Yeah, it's me. Meow. Hiya, hiya. Anyways, so I I learned you how to get the angel cats, all of them. I probably forget. I probably forgot one, but meh. Anyways, just like just like earlier in the angel cat, just go in the back rooms again. Yay! Well, I already said the directions. So you probably written them in a paper. So um what going there later. Backflip. Oh yeah, backflip. Anyways, this is here. So what you have to go do is basically that glitch cat is chasing you when you try to get it. You have to outrun it. So just wait for it to like go away. It doesn't matter. Warning, jump scare warning, jump scare warning. Yes, there's a You know what? Look away. Oh, yes, it's gone. So just follow the direction. Do this, do all that, dead end. Go here, go there, go that way, and go here. And then, bang, here you are. And get this potion. Yes, this potion. Drink it, and you'll get the glitch cat. Yay, glitch cat. Ah, I'm now a glitch cat. So yeah, that's the tutorial for the glitch cat. And next is the full shark cat. And it's actually just right here. So once you go here, once you get your glitch cat, is yeah, here you are in the Ivory Palace. Anyways, so go down here and then click run because I want and go up these stairs. And once you are here, you will see all of this. And the door is closed. So you have to do is click this little ducky 2 times or just 1 time. Oh yeah, 2 times. So once you click the duckies, go here and go there. And right after here, you have to go here, but it's closed. So go right here in this. Get this ducky again and click 2 times. And now it should open. Yeah, open. So we are here. So what you have to do is go around this pool, go here, click this ducky 2 times, like always, and go down here. And there's a big hall that will lead you in here. In here, yes, here. And once you're here, just follow it and go up the stairs. And we are at this place. We are almost at the end. So what you have to do is go down right here. So you spawn right here. So fall down. And once you fall down, take this ducky and click it 2 times, like always. And right after, climb back to the ladder. Go go left and exactly left. So just go on until the second one, which is right here. And now you get the shark. Now you're a shark. Yeah. So that's it for today. And thank you for watching the tutorial and bye bye. Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah. So bye. And you got all the skins.